For connections, we look at, I looked at marketing. So how do you actively look for companies? So as mentioned for Iowa, you can use consultants to go out and talk to companies, face to face, or make connections over the phone or email, and make those physical connections. Attendance at conferences and trade fairs is vital to be getting the word out to people and companies who would actually be participating. And then having a presence on social media, as mentioned for Renew, really getting where the audiences are and spreading that word, making circular economy and waste exchanges an accessible program for people who even aren't in companies, but helping consumers to see the importance of these waste exchanges and finding alternative disposal methods so that they can provide that feedback to companies and demand that this is what they want. And then emphasizing the benefits, the financial benefits specifically to companies. We'd like to say that companies operate on goodwill and that they'll recycle and out of the goodness of their hearts, but in reality, they have to meet their bottom line. They're making money and saving money. So emphasizing those financial benefits is key to getting participation. More connections, additional services, being flexible in what you're offering, looking at your clients and your customers and understanding what their needs are, whether they need an exchange or if a directory would also be useful for them. Offering matchmaking events was a suggestion in the industry survey I conducted. So looking at what companies could be matched up with these other companies. Offering a newsletter, so keeping the word going, not just talking to someone once, but emails and consistent advertisements to companies. And then partnerships. So again, with the P2 program, the Arizona P2 program has been around long enough that a lot of the companies that are participating are sort of reaching the end of what else can we do. They've been saving energy and conserving water. They've reduced their chemical usage or made substitutions where possible. What else can they do? So a material or waste exchange can help renew the P2 program and give companies more opportunities and options for their P2 goals. Also partnering with local nonprofits like Treasures for Teachers and Habitat for Humanity. So not just recycling your a company's materials and surpluses, but donating them back to the community and helping to support that local community.